begin.
I'm pretty sure they've all outperformed the year, and that is the reason you've all been selected to be the presidents and secretaries, because to the changed presidents and secretaries, we have given them very clear information that they should not be getting the normal person into the collar. They should have one real classy person into the collar, because a guy like Arjun, who, if you noticed in the birthday message which I had put for Arjun, his silence is his asset, and that is something which I inspire in him. So why I call him Mr. Cool, because anything and everything that happens, he knows that it's all in his control and he'll be able to take care of it. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு DRRக்கு நீங்க வந்து presidents and secretaries இருக்க போறீங்க, and I'm pretty sure you're all going to make a lot of difference and you're all going to be inspiring others.
And speaking of the next 2 days, we've got a set of sessions lined up. We have Rotarian Vaidyanathan sir, who's going to take up on why Rotrack and why president, secretary, and on your leadership skills. And after that, we have afternoon we have 4 set of revenues like community service, international service, club service, and professional service. So each PDRR will be focusing on what exactly to do in the particular revenue, and we will run through a small presentation on what we have planned for the next year. We break out for this year, this day, and tomorrow, starting off, we have PDRR Rotracker Sujit Kumar, who's accepted to be part of GRASP event, and he's going to take a session on communication and sustainability. And after that, we have a plenary breakout session exclusively for president and secretaries. Presidents will be handled by PDRR Manigandan, and secretaries will be handled by PDRR Solomon Victor. And we break out for lunch. We have a small management games for 45 minutes. After that, we have a crisis management session being handled by Rotracker past President David Reiner. Then we have the district announcement right from the installation to the assembly, to conference, Laila, awards, the DRR visits, and so on. So this is the next 2 days schedule. So I hope you'll all enjoy, and please make sure to use this opportunity. It's a great learning experience.
Going to have a Guinness attempt. என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, we are going to involve 1 lakh people, 100,000 people will assemble in a place, and they will hold the national flag of India in hand. That's going to be a Guinness record. The presidential conference in the form of Rotary Day celebrations will be held in Chennai on 7th of December under the leadership of our incoming DRR Arjun Raja. So we will take it up in a big way. Guidance of the most successful DRR in recent years, Ramkumar Raju, this Rotrack District 3230, under the label leadership of the presidents and secretaries who are assembled here for the Rotary year 2014-15, you will make a remarkable year in office and make not only Rotrack, also Rotary proud. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
clubs are supposed to do. I'm saying give an opportunity for every Rotaractor to engage in a few hours, not even 5, 3, 4, 5 hours of service every month, which is about what, an hour and a little over per week. For Sunday, breakfast சாப்பிட்டு ஒரு 1 hour per week or 4 hours per month போரும். February மாசம் வேணா கொஞ்சம் ஒரு few minutes கம்மியாயிடும்.
Governor, I already put my request to him. At least this year, please allow us a team of Rotaractors, maybe 5, 6 or 7, whatever number, go as a delegation from here, as a friendship delegation to Sri Lanka, and let one team come from there, we take care of it.
Say garbage disposal units, but you feel that everything is fine. You feel that the need is maybe road safety in that particular area. So going for something which the community doesn't need is not serving the community at that point of time. The need is different. The issue is different. Okay, so how do you identify the needs of the community? Okay, we are all blessed with our different sense organs. We are able to hear, see, sense things around us. So when we go around, when we see things are going wrong, when we hear things are going wrong, when you observe that something is of need in this particular area, you know that, okay, this is something that I can work on. Alright, next one.
You as presidents, make sure that you're going to be going there, go meet a lot of other clubs, exchange your letterheads, exchange your flags, know what Rotaract is on a global forum. This is number one. Today we are doing 2 Railas and 3 Railas. That is the kind of a development that we have had. So why not attend an international Raila? Think about it. Your own managements will come forward to support you if you're getting selected for something like this. And it's not easy to get selected, friends. There is a lot of process. So think about it. International Raila, go Google it, find out what it is, and try to be a part of it.
Three things you follow in your year, okay, blindly follow. You will have an amazing year as a president secretary. First thing is believe in yourself, like the potato game. Don't say that it is not possible. Don't say no, it is impossible. Believe in impossible. Okay, so first thing is what? Believe in yourself. Okay, and second thing, like the second pipe game, but not in the you perform but with proper coordination, create a bond between your family, which is your Rotaract family. You make sure that you have a great friendship. Take them to movies, take them outing, feed them food. I'm not joking. You should do it. You do all that, your friends are going to be. I'm not joking. There's a success formula for everything. So make sure that they identify what is the most important need for. Why should they come and work for Rotaract? Okay, the people who have problem with the membership. Motivate them. Why should they come and work? Ask them questions. Feed them with information that will interest them. Okay. And third important thing which I wanted to tell is ask yourself a logical question. What I'm doing is right or wrong? I don't know how many of you will understand this. I have not told anything about this as out of subject matter. But definitely ask a logical question to yourself. What you're doing is right or wrong? Like the 4 ways.
ஒருத்தர் தான். பட் மேனேஜர் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்றது கிடையாது. பேரண்ட்ஸ் நம்ம சொல்ல முடியாது, எனக்கு இந்த அப்பா அம்மா பிடிக்கல, I want to change. No, you can't do that. But in an organization like Road Track, where you're volunteering your time, nobody is paying you for it. பின்னாடி நான் டிஆர்ஆர் ஆயிட்டு இப்போ ராம்க்கு இந்த ஒரு ஜூலைக்கு அப்புறம் தெரியும், சே இதான் வாழ்க்கையா புரியும். இவருக்கு இப்போ தூக்கம் வர்றான் நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் போனோம் அப்படின்னு அப்படி இருக்கும். எல்லாம் அப்படிதான். அந்த ஹைன்னு வாங்கல்ல, அந்த ஹை அப்படியே இந்த மே ஜூன் வரும்போது கொஞ்சம் ஜூலைக்கு அப்புறம் அப்படியே அந்த ஸ்டேஜ் ஆஃப் நிர்வாணாக்கு போயிடுவாரு. கதம் கதம் அவ்வளவுதான், அவ்வளவுதான் வாழ்க்கை. எல்லாம் பார்த்தாச்சு. So it goes up and down. தனியா அங்க ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ் எது இருக்கு, எதுக்கு பசிச்ச தனியா உட்காந்துட்டான் பையன். But you know what, if you actually enjoy this movement, then there's never a dull period. I still think I'm the DRR many times, because there's not one year that I've missed. Even after I passed out of Road Track, I'm 37 now. 7 years after being out of Road Track, I think I've almost handled at least one session every year. I've been with youngsters. Even whether I like it or not, somebody calls me and go and talk. It's not in a district council, some club, somewhere or the other. So just remember this point, that you are not doing a service to this organization, it's the other way around. The movement is much bigger than you. And 3, leadership without a title. I think that's critical. If you do not have the title, will people still respect you? And if they respect you, then you're a great leader. And last and most importantly, we don't work for individuals, we work for a common cause. Irrespective of who that individual is. Of course you need to respect the chair. Of course you need to respect the position. We need to respect the position. So if there is a DRR and that DRR is somebody whom you don't like, it's okay, but he is going to be the head of the organization for that particular year. You need to give him or her due respect. You don't need to fight it out. Because one significant difference is, நாங்க இருந்தப்போ the social media இவ்வளவு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா கிடையாது. இப்போ அப்படி கிடையாது. என்னெல்லாம் கருமத்தெல்லாம் போடுறோம் ஃபேஸ்புக்ல. சரவண பவன்ல சாப்பிட்டு அதை எனக்கு ஃபேஸ்புக்ல போடுறேன். Down with diarrhea, 77 likes. Hey, அவனுக்கு unplugged ஆயிருக்கு, அதுக்கு லைக், right? And some of us watch Dirty Linen in public. அடிச்சு எழுதுறது இஷ்டத்துக்கு. Now when you talk about communication, it's not just about speaking, listening and writing. It's about what to write, when to write, how to write and where to write. In a social media, you live in a world of big data. And what is meaning by big data? Every single individual in this world can be tracked. நீ 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ட்விட்டர்ல என்ன எழுதுன, ஃபேஸ்புக்ல என்ன எழுதுன்றத வச்சு ட்ராக் பண்ணி உனக்கு வேலை கொடுக்கலாமா கொடுக்க கூடாதான்றது டிசைட் பண்றாங்க இன்னைக்கு ஆர்கனைசேஷன்.
Leadership development and service mindset. Between the age group of 18 and 30, யாரெல்லாம் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனல் இவங்க தான் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க கெரியர் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுற டைம்ல போயிட்டு அவங்க அப்பா கிட்ட போயிட்டு 20,000 கொடுத்து காலேஜ் கட்டுறதா கண்டுட்டே இருப்பாரு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போய் படிக்க பார்க்குறாங்க, இல்லை வேலையை பார்க்குறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த ஏஜ்ல உங்களை நீங்க எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்க முடியும், எப்படி நிறைய விஷயம் கற்றுக்க முடியும். சுற்றி நீங்க சொன்னாரு பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கிங் வந்து ஸ்டேஜ் ஏற எவ்வளோ ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடைக்கும். காலேஜில் கிளாஸ் மேடம் கூட இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, ஈவன் யாரும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. Road Track மாதிரி நீங்க மெம்பரா இருக்கும்போது you get lot of opportunities. So if you develop your professionalism, develop your leadership skill, and you have a little service mindset, what kind of project you can do to the local community. So only for 3 things, Road Track effect is very simple: professional development, leadership development, and service mindset. Got it?
I hope you all enjoyed the 2 days. It was a wonderful training program. Trust me, it was this was one training program because I've been visiting for the last 5-6 years. I've been going to all the pets and sets. But this is one training program I felt that personally I would felt probably you might say because I'm a DR, I'm not talking like that. Because it was really wonderful because we have never had Sujit Kumar attending a pets and sets for the road track moment. He only comes for assembly, conference and goes out. But straight away he accepted that he'll come for the pets and sets. He wanted to talk to them because I told him it's a fresh set of President and Secretary elects, and definitely with your guidance and with your support, definitely they'll do big for the entire year and support. And I'm sure you guys enjoyed each and every bit. Communication. So please be very clear on communication, what you communicate to your President and Secretary elects. I'm sure the District Council will give you a communication on that. Please pass on the information to everybody. Be very clear on that. I'm sure this year been little fine-tuning on how to communicate to all the President Secretaries. We have the respective GRRs who are in place, and they'll be with you in a friendly manner. I'm sure the Group Protect Coordinator, Danakodi, will do a great job this year by having all in place for the entire year, such that nobody are left out on that. Yeah.
One rotated protractor Hemachandran, Ramkrishna Raju, Arjun Raja, and today's chairperson Subbalakshmi, other people, all the people I know. See, you can keep on calling names. Do you want to hear that? No, you don't want to hear it. What do you want to hear? You want to hear, yes, the session is over, let us go home, right? This is the truth. See, right. So, 3 things I'll tell you. What have you learnt? Please keep it to yourself and exchange it with your club members. Make them understand that as leaders, they will be given opportunities to become leaders. This is one thing you should understand, that you should make leaders. A leader is the one who makes others as leaders. This is one thing. Second thing, whatever the rules are, whatever the things have been taught for 2 days, it is not to be forgotten in this auditorium. It is to be put to use in your lives. It is not for your road track club or your Rotary institution. It is for the entire life, because you are the people who are going to inspire others. You are the torch bearers. And third thing, definitely these chances doesn't come to everybody. The organization has given you a wonderful chance. Use it and make good of it. And I am happy that you all attended 2 continuous days. That itself shows your commitment. You are going to make a difference to the society. You are going to make a difference to yourself. So let us, this year's slogan, be the change to inspire others, and that's what I will say. Thank you very much, and please use your opportunity well for next 365 days. Thank you.
ready?